Once upon a time, a woman's world was shaped by tradition. Her dreams were often whispered in silence, but the strength within her would become the beginning of change. Separated by generations, yet connected by the same dreams. One lived in a world of tradition, the other in a world of new possibilities, but both carried the strength to shape their own story. For women then, love could mean duty, sacrifice, and expectations. Today, love can mean choice, partnership, and freedom. Yet, the desire to be loved, valued, and understood remains the same.